Okay, today I'm going to be working on cleaning up all of the inside of the window channel, trying to find any of these spot welds that I can remove. Don't know if I'll be getting to that today, but I just want to clean it all up so I can take a good look at what we're dealing with. Also, if I have time today, I'll climb in the trunk and I'll do the same with the existing brackets that are on the car. So I'm going to get to it. Okay, the piece is now fitted in. We put some screws in the sheet metal to hold it in place. We have a little bit more trimming to do before we actually start to weld it in. So it's going to be coming out one more time, and hopefully one more time, and then we will finish with all the trimming, and it should go back in. We have to drill some holes on the one brace that supports the trunk hinge on both sides, and that we'll take care of next time around. And stay tuned, the welding should begin very soon. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!